Today we'll be challenging an Olympian to a game of badminton. But first, let's introduce our contestants.
Hi, I'm Toby Ng, Canadian Olympian, six-time national champion, Pan Am Games gold medalist, highest world ranking, 16 in mixed doubles.
Now here are our challengers. First is Hugo, our videographer and editor of the channel, complete beginner. Second is Paul, a competitive provincial level athlete. And finally myself, a retired provincial champion and national third athlete.
The rules of this challenge are simple. Each of us will face Toby in 3 15-point box game matches, 1 round for each of us. At the end of the challenge, if our score cumulatively totals 15, we'll be considered victorious. First is Hugo, a complete beginner. Let's see if he can surprise us and get some early points.
Oh, wait, that was pretty good. Just have to go for it. Stop being so scared. Like, just go like pa, pa, pa. Embody that sound. All right. Yeah. 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 Oh. Stop playing badminton. Like, play something else. Yes, badminton. Oh, good try.
Well, I guess Hugo had no surprise up his sleeves, which is interesting despite my great moral support and guidance. Now let's see if Paul, our intermediate player, fares any better with some points that we sorely need.
Oh, yeah. Oh. You have to keep your racket up more. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah! Toe! Yeah! Ooh. Oh. Good try, good try. Outside! Outside! That was outside, man! What the? Come on. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Come on. You gotta give him less pattern. It's like one back, one front. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, bro.
Good effort from Paul, but now I'm up and I need 11 points against Toby to win.
Wait, this sucks. Oh, what the hell? Wait, am I the advanced? I mean, we're counting that. What the? Out. Out. What the? Oh my God. How dare you? How dare you? No way. Oh. Oh, you hit it more. Oh, shit. All right. We're good.
Well, it came close, 15-8, cumulatively with Paul and Hugo's 12 points, but still lost to an Olympian. For more challenges and badminton content, remember to like and subscribe.